Well, there was a time when I was younger, up through my teens, that this park, it was like a hub of the community of New Ellenton, South Carolina. You know, everybody talked about the ballpark. I started off playing all athletics, baseball, basketball, and football. And this neighborhood park was something that we had in the community that we used to come to every other day. Well, my name is Jermaine Patterson. I grew up here in New Ellenton, South Carolina. Very driven kid. I was always driven for more. Always wanted to be successful, always had another vision for what's outside the walls of this city. But I love my hometown. I always loved my hometown. I work at Savannah Riverside. I'm asset management specialist. I help people keep up with their accountable and non-accountable equipment. And one of the things it teaches me to do is to multitask out there. A lot of knowledge transfer I have to do at the site. And I have to transfer knowledge here as well because I know the vision that was given to me. I had this, what I believe to be like a divine calling, where I know it was a divine calling to restore this baseball field. I knew if we could bring this park up to the vision that I was given, I knew it actually would inspire people, not only just to come here and come watch the games, but I also knew it would inspire people to want more in their lives. I saw that people needed something that they can behold within their community. Because a lot of times we see things outside of our community and we think that's beyond us. And so if they have something in the community, they can have something that they can behold and say, this is ours. We did this, we put this together. We could use this park for family gatherings, family reunions, have a baseball league, a softball league, a kickball league. We can restore one of the buildings and have people teach and come out and teach people about stocks, bonds, investment, financial literacy, things like that. We'll have something right in the city of New Ellenton that we can hold on to and we can hold dear and we can cherish. On the cleanup days, brought everybody together, cut a lot of the trees down. We've got some estimates for the sewer tank system. We started tearing down some of the old dugouts, the old buildings. So we're just in phase one of the park restoration. And we also was fortunate enough to get a grant from Savannah Riverside. You know, they blessed us with a $10,000 grant and to help support what we're trying to do. So I'm thankful for them for that. You don't have to necessarily always give funds. It can just be encouraging. Like a lot of the people there say, look, Jermaine, I see what you're doing. I like what you got going on. You know, if you need anything, let me know. Because there's times where you work and you do projects like this where it looks like it's just stuck in the mud, like it's not going anywhere. But that encouragement helps push the car out the mud and, keeps it going. So if we can get this park back going, we can bring life back to this community and bring opportunities back. I'm Jermaine Patterson, and I work at SRNS.